Okay, scientists, we're back in my living room. This time I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to complete your discovery education scavenger hunt assignment. And so you followed the link in Google Classroom to Discovery Education, and it's going to bring you back to this page. And again, we're back at Drew's page. Um, this is his homepage. So some pretty cool things about Discovery Education. There's lots of great material in here. So in this, the reason you guys are doing this is because I want to introduce you to Discovery Ed and all the cool things that you can do with it. So the very first part of your assignment is to pick a topic, a science topic that you're kind of interested in. It can be anything. So once you pick that topic, let's say you're really interested in viruses. You're going to go up to this search bar here and you're going to hit search, and then I'm going to type in virus and hit return. Now it's going to search Discovery Education for lots of information about viruses. So in your scavenger hunt, what you're going to need to do is you're going to find a piece of text, some reading that you think is interesting. You're going to find an image, and you're also going to find a video, right? So we'll start with text, and how you can narrow all your searches down is right here. So I type viruses, it's telling me everything it has on viruses. So let's say I just want to find out about reading passages. So we'll go across here to text and hit it. Okay. Now it's just going to show me all the things that are reading. I want you to go through the articles, maybe open some of them up, find one that you think might be interesting. Like, oh, viruses can cure too. That's kind of interesting. Then it may take a second to load, but then go ahead and like read through the article, see if it's something you like, and be like, oh, that's kind of interesting. And kind of keep searching until you find one. And let's pretend this is the one that you really like. What you can do is go over here and it says add to quick list. And I want you to add that to your quick list. Okay, but let's like pretend that you didn't like it, then you wanted to find a different one. You can hit your back button on your browser. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to hit my back button. It's going to bring me back to my search page. Okay, and then I can keep searching through the articles. Okay, so I want you to find an article that you think is interesting, add it to your quick list. Then I want you to find an image. So we can go back up here, and this time I'm going to select images. Okay, and the same thing, you can go through and see them. Now for these, you don't even have to open them up all the way to add them to your quick list. Let's just say you find one that you think is really interesting, like this one. You can just hit the plus button. Okay, it's going to add it to your quick list. And then the last thing I want you to look for is a video. So come back up here, select video, and you might need to watch a few and see if you can find a video that you're going to like. Okay. Okay. When you find the video, again, watch it, and then you can again add it to your quick list when you're ready. When you go, oh, that's the video I want to add. All right. So now, after you get done with this, you're going to go into Google Classroom, and you're going to there's a form there, and you're going to answer some questions about these things. I'm going to ask you, oh, what was the text that you found? And then tell me something interesting about the text. And you're like, oh, what is something interesting about the text? How can I figure that out? Well, when you go back into Discovery Education and you come over here where you see this little number 4, and if I hover over it, it says Quick List. And then it's going to show me all of the things that I put in my quick list. So I can go back and read the article if I wanted to. Okay, like, okay, yeah. Great, great. And then the next question in Google Classroom is going to ask you about the image that you found. And if you want to look at that image again, just go up to Quick List, and then here's your image. Okay. And then the same is true for the video. If you want to look at the video again to answer the questions in Google Classroom, back up to your quick list and find the video that you picked. Okay, so that is how you can do everything you need to do to complete the assignment, the Discovery Education Scavenger Hunt assignment. All right? All right. See you soon.